Hey YouTubers, welcome back. Today I've got the Stihl MS290 chainsaw. It's not a bad saw, it's not too big, not too small. And if you look at the specs on the back of the handle, it's a 56cc chainsaw. A bit similar to the MS260, but the MS260 is a pro saw. And you can take off this cover here, it just comes off like this. There's the air filter, the carb's back there, and your spark plug's right here. So I'm going to do a cold start of it and try it out in a small birch log. Anyways, it's a pretty good saw. It might be a bit heavy for some people, so you may want to get a smaller model if that's the case. And I'm sure if you buy this saw, you're going to get a lot of use out of it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.